Welcome to another episode of EThekwini News in 60 seconds. EThekwini Municipality showcased its readiness to welcome an anticipated 1.3 million visitors at the launch of its summer season campaign, with its plans ensuring residents and visitors' safety as well as countless tourism offerings. The city has expressed satisfaction with the successful hosting of the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifier match between Bafana Bafana and Zimbabwe at the Moses Mabhida Stadium, with an estimated 54 million rand into the city's economy, a total GDP of about 80 million and 245 jobs created. Traders were afforded an opportunity to add their voice in reviewing the informal trade and retail market by law at a two-day summit, ensuring compliance and empowerment. 11 traders previously operating illegally were awarded trading permits. That's it for this episode.